Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a recipe for all of the curry heads out there. This one is a chicken tikka masala. It is gorgeous and easy to do, so let's get cracking. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is grab our chicken, cut it into chunks and put it in a bowl. Once it's in the bowl, add all of the spice and seasoning that's listed in the ingredients below for the chicken. Also, make sure you add the yogurt and the lemon juice and the oil. Give it all a mix. Once it's all thoroughly mixed and combined, put cling film over the bowl and chill for a minimum of 2 hours, and for the best results, chill it overnight. Once your chicken has marinated and you're ready to make the curry, get your chicken, put it onto a tray and put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and bake at 220 degrees or 425 Fahrenheit. Now keep an eye on it, make sure it gets a nice colour but doesn't burn. Once the chicken is cooked, put it on a plate or in a bowl and leave it to the side to use at a later date once the sauce is made. So to make the sauce, what you need to do is grab an onion and either grate it or chop it as finely as you can. Saute the onion in a pan for approximately 5 minutes until the onion goes soft and starts to get a little bit of colour in it. To that, you add your garlic and your ginger, stir that around just for a few seconds until it becomes fragrant. Then add in all of the spices and seasoning that's listed in the ingredients below for the sauce. Also add in your tomato puree and your water. Give it all a good stir, make sure that it's all combined. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for around 20 minutes. Once you're ready to serve, add in your cream, grab your chicken that you baked in the oven earlier and add this to the sauce. Once it's all added and stirred in, let that simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Give it all a mix and sprinkle with fresh coriander and you are ready to add this to the rice of your choice, and voila, have yourself a beautiful chicken tikka masala. Guys, thank you so much as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you next time.